Hello, Kamran.
Hello Rizwan.
How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine, just chilling nowadays.
So, we were doing the topic related with the center of gravity last time, if you remember.
Oh, yes, we were doing some sort of discussion on center of gravity.
So, what was the center of gravity?
Actually, center of gravity is the point where the whole weight of the body acts vertically downward.
Direction. So, we will examine some example from the daily life and then we will see that what is the importance of the center of gravity in the daily life. So, let me start that this is a uniform meter rule.
Okay, just give it to me.
Okay.
May I try to balance it?
Okay, this is not the way to balance it. I will let you know.
Okay, how?
You will place it like this and then hold on it on the your fingers in this way and then move this and now this is the point where you can balance it. So this is the center of gravity of the meter rule.
Okay, so can you feel the weight of the meter rule
Yes.
on your finger?
Yes, I can feel it. So
Let me try.
Yes, sure you can.
Okay, just I'm going to, oh yes, it is now being balanced and now I can feel the weight of the meter rule acting on my finger in downward direction.
And what is this?
This is the screwdriver.
What we will use this screwdriver?
Definitely we will tie up this screwdriver on one side of the meter rule so that we might see that after tying up the screwdriver with meter rule whether its center of gravity shifts or not.
Okay, let we see that what will happen if we will tie up the screwdriver on this meter rule and what will be its effect on the center of gravity of the meter rule. So I am sure that there is no change in the center of gravity. What do you think?
I think center of gravity will change.
Okay, let's see whether you are right or I am right. Okay. So let me perform this or you want to perform? Okay. Now, oh my god, I can't move my right finger because there is very... So look at my left finger. The center of gravity was near 20 and now it has crossed that point. Oh, really nice, very nice. So it is balanced at this point. This is the point where it is going to be balanced right now. So this is the point where it is balanced. So the center of gravity shift on the side where there is more concentration of
Weight.
weight.
So it's mean that we can make conclusion by adding weight in the body we can shift its center of gravity from its original center of gravity.
Is this important in the daily life?
Definitely there are some examples from the daily life in which we can say that center of gravity plays a vital role.
What is this? Can you tell me that what is this?
Airplane,
Oh yes,
it seems to be
Airbus A380, the largest, the jumbo jet aeroplane for the passengers transportation from one place to the other place.
oh yes, you are right.
Okay, let's suppose that this is a cargo aeroplane. Now, when it is moving on the runway, what do you think? The center of gravity will shift upward, downward, or it will remain at its own place?
Cargo is placed over here
Yes, definitely.
and definitely then its center of gravity might be will at its center.
Okay. And let's suppose that the cargo is not tied up properly in this aeroplane. So the aeroplane is running on the runway, and then
When it
it
takes
takes
off,
off. Now, what do you think? what will happen and what can happen to this aeroplane?
Definitely, the cargo which was placed at the middle of the airplane, when it will move in this direction,
Okay.
the cargo which was definitely untied or was not tied properly, the cargo will shift on the back side of the aeroplane or towards the tail of the aeroplane.
Okay, so you have shown it over here as well.
Definitely, when cargo will shift towards the tail of the aeroplane, then its center of gravity will definitely shift towards the back side of the aeroplane.
So you know that this has happened in the Afghanistan. That one of the cargo plane which took off from the airport from the Afghanistan, then right after when it took off, then it crashed immediately.
Definitely, there plays a vital role of center of gravity in that case.
So when the National Transport Safety Board from the America, they have investigated all this, and what they have found that the cargo was not tied up properly. So when it was on its inclination, then what has happened? All the weight acts in the backward direction at the tail of the aeroplane, and suddenly a large weight was acting on the tail, and then the aeroplanes crashed in downward direction. What else the example we can show?
Okay, another example we can show regarding the shifting of center of gravity
This is my airplane.
is the example of a ship. Let's suppose if this ship is filled with the passengers, then definitely in normal routine passengers are scattered all over the ship,
Okay, that is fine. Then
and definitely when passengers will be shifted or scattered on all over the board of the ship, then definitely its center of gravity will be most probably at its center.
okay, and what if there is some fire breakout in the front part of the ship?
Then definitely people will suppose this is the front part, then people will move from, or people will definitely run away from front part towards the back side of the ship.
and then all the weight of the passengers will act at the back of the ship, and the ship will sink down.
Definitely its center of gravity will be shifted. When all passengers were moving towards the back side of the ship, then center of gravity was shifted, due to which its weight was acting on the back side, due to which it collapsed.
So now I really have good understanding of the importance of the center of gravity in daily life.
Yes, there are other examples which will definitely show the importance of center of gravity in daily life, and let's proceed towards those activities.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we want to balance this coin on this note. Okay, let me try. Oh, it's not balancing on the note. Now what we will do? We will fold this note in such a way, because this is regular shape object, so this is the way to fold the note. And now what you will do, you will place the coin on the note. Now place the note on a plane surface, and then place coin over it, and now stretch the sides of the note in outward direction. So now you can see it is balanced. Now I will leviate it. You can see that I have lifted a coin which is balanced on a currency note. So in order to perform this experiment, you have to do a lot of practice. So this is how we can balance the coin on the surface of a note. Now move towards the next demo.
everyone. Already you know that physics is the fun. Now, after doing different activities, another very interesting activity is here for all of you. Can you balance this empty can like this? If I am going to place this empty can over here, can you balance it? Yes, it can be balanced. What we will do, that we will put some water in the can, and now I will try to balance it over here. Can you see? It is balanced. Look, wow. Why it is being balanced? Do you know the reason? That when can was empty, almost its center of gravity was over here. After putting water in the can, its center of gravity has been shifted to lowest or nearer to the earth. And when I have tilted, again its center of gravity has been shifted like this. So at this point, when I am going to tilt it or rotate it, it is being balanced. So it's mean that by adding masses or by adding water, the center of gravity shifts, center of gravity lowers down. So in this way, again if you can look over here, when I am going to make it empty, now what I have done, I have removed the mass, so its center of gravity is again shifted to its default center of gravity, and when I am going to balance it, I will be unable to balance it. So I hope that now you will be able to understand that what is the importance of the center of gravity in daily life, and this is the reason always it is said east or west, physics is the best, and physics is really a fun. Thank you very much. Bye bye.